Okay, so for any open-ended questions, we're going to use the WRAP strategy, which is a strategy you used last year, you'll use in 6th grade as well. And to wrap an answer of an open-ended question, we're going to restate the question, answer the question, and prove we're right. So if you'll go to slide 12, you're going to look at our WRAP question that we have today. So it asks us to describe Ben's relationship with his mother. To R, restate the question, we're going to turn that question into a statement to show we know what's being asked. So for this one, it will ask us to describe Ben's relationship with his mother, and we are going to R, restate the question by saying Ben's relationship with his mother was. Ben's relationship with his mother was. Then we are going to A, answer the question right after we restate it. So we're going to write what we know or what we've learned or what we think is correct about the topic. We're going to answer every part of the question in this section. So based on what we've read, we're going to A, answer it right after the R, restate. Ben's relationship with his mother was very close, period. It can be that easy. Sometimes you may have to do it in a few different sentences to answer it correctly. Now we're going to P, prove we are right with evidence from the text. We're proving evidence from the text that proves our answer or opinion is right. And we're going to cite the text by including details from the article or passage. So in pages 1 through 27, we learned a lot about Ben and his mother. We're going to go back to the text that specifically discusses their relationship together and find examples to prove that they were close. We're going to cite it, where it came from, and sometimes it's more specific, sometimes it's more general. So today we're going to say, based on pages 1 through 27 of Wonderstruck, comma, and we're going to make sure we either underline, italicize, or put in quotations the book name Wonderstruck. Based on pages 1 through 27, the author states that, and I'm going to look for quotes his mom said, that he and his mother were always together, period. I'm going to use some specific examples, like the turtle. So when I find the turtle, I'm going to reference it. So on page 26, this is when his mother's talking about him being a turtle. On 27, she's sharing her quote about we're all in the gutter, but some of us are looking up the stars. She did it previously as well. They talked daily after school, comma. They hung out in her library, comma. And she shared very important advice with him, like how he should be more outgoing instead of acting like a turtle. Period. He misses her very much ever since her passing in March of 1977. Now, the way that I phrased that, based on pages 1 through 27 of Wonderstruck, that let me paraphrase or put in my own words everything that was said or happened on those pages that were with him and his mother. I'll teach you as the year goes by how we can add more specific citations, like on page 27, if we need to in the future. But this is very simple, very quick. I did it in about 3 to 4 sentences. You could have easily done it in 3 as well. But this is how we wrap or restate, answer, and prove our answers whenever we're answering questions that are open response.